Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you reset the time that you have left on Candy Crush. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, go ahead and log into your account, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here of the game, which is the home page where you can see your map, so you can see all the events that are going on, the shop, and so on. So guys, now let's say that you have some time limit in the game before you can play again. Maybe you're waiting for lives or maybe it's something else. Guys, this is how to reduce the time and reset it. Well guys, the first thing you want to do is exit out of the application, and we want to go ahead and open up the settings on our mobile phone. So guys, go ahead and search for settings, and in the settings option now we want to go ahead and search for time. So guys, go ahead and type in time and search for time guys and click on time zone. Open up time zone guys, and now as you can see we are using network provided time. So what we want to do guys is to go ahead and turn off this option right here that says use network provided time. Turn that off, and after turning it off guys, go ahead and set the time some time ahead. Go ahead and set the time to, let's say, 4 hours ahead. And after setting the time guys, now we can go ahead and exit out of the settings and go ahead and open up Candy Crush again. After opening up the game guys, you'll now notice that our lives are restored, or whatever we were waiting for will now count the time as if we forwarded it into the future. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.